are doing a Wrigley Field unboxing. This bag I grabbed, I went to the Cubs game yesterday. It was on 8/25. It was against the Cardinals. We lost, sorry. But I bought the $20 mystery Wrigley Field bag. It was $20, no tax. And I wanted to share with you guys what's inside in case you guys want to buy it. I feel like it was a great gift for someone who wanted something like a keepsake from the game. So let's get into it. I purchased it from the Mezzanine Home Plate store. My seats was at row or section 121. So when I walked in, the mezzanine store was as soon as I walked to my right, and then my seats was a little bit further down up some stairs. So just be aware, it comes like this. Okay, so the top is taped up, and the guy told me he didn't know what was in it. So I'm not sure if each one has something different in it. They look like the same size to me. First thing you'll notice is a bat. So you do get a Cubs bat. It's green. It's wood. It's actually very, very, very nice. I might put it on the mantle like a keepsake. And it has Cubs on it. And like a label that you can peel off. So, item one. I think I counted 7 items total. Wrigley Field official scorecard booklet. It's completely empty, so you can fill out, I guess, if you watch the game. Boston Red Sox, and then Cubs at the bottom. So, just an example. Maybe they had extras and they put them in there. All right, next is a hat. So, it's like one of those brim hats. It has the Cubby guy on the back. Oh, that's cute. I love the plaid color. That's how it looks. It looks a little small to me, but like if you have a bald head, this would be the perfect gift. So, something to think about. Hat, my receipt, pencil. You receive a Cubs sharpened pencil. I like pencils. I use pencils actually. So, especially when I'm writing in my journal, this is great. Then a baby t-shirt. It looks like it's a 6 months. All right. Since we're in line for shirts, there is a bigger shirt for me, an adult shirt. It looks like an extra large. Extra large, yes. And then on the back, it has, is that Bryant? Oh, I like the number 17. 7 is my favorite number, so. Matching shirts for you and your baby. And then, this looks like a nail tattoos. Peel and stick nail tattoos is in here. So, if you're into nails, Cub nails, which I think is cool. And then, this is a lapel pen. Am I saying that right? Lapel pen. This is really cute, actually. I like the red. And that's it. That's my receipt, 20 bucks. This is my unboxing of the Wrigley Field Wrigley bag.